Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to publish indicator in TradingView. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, you'll want to prepare your script. Begin by opening the Pine editor, which you can find at the right side of your chart. Paste or write your code into this space and always test it out on a clean chart. Once your script looks great and performs well, it's time to publish it. With your script loaded and ready, navigate to the top right corner of the Pine editor. You'll spot the Publish Script icon there. Click on that, and you'll be presented with your first publishing page. You'll need to come up with a catchy yet descriptive title and a succinct description that conveys what your script does. Also, make sure to specify whether it's an indicator or a strategy. Then click Continue to proceed. Now, on to the topic of privacy and access for your script. You have a few choices here. First, decide on privacy. Would you like it public or private? Next, determine the visibility level. Do you want the script open source so others can see your code, or protected where the code is hidden? There's also an invite-only option for when you want to restrict access, but remember, this needs a premium account. After that, it's time to tag and categorize your script. Choose a suitable category such as oscillator or moving average. Finally, before you push that Publish button, review all your settings meticulously. Then click Publish, and TradingView will do its magic, creating a dedicated widget or page for your script, either in the public library or your personal profile section. And there you have it. So that is how you can publish indicator in TradingView. So that's all for this video. Thanks.